You feel like you're doing everything right with your money, saving, paying bills on time, and managing your bank accounts responsibly. Yet somehow, you're still not making financial progress. That's not a personal failure. It's the system working exactly as intended. Banks don't profit by helping you build wealth. They profit by keeping you comfortable, compliant, and uninformed. The harsh truth? Most people unknowingly let their banks benefit from their money while they remain stuck. In this video, I'll reveal 7 secrets banks have kept from their customers and show you how to use this knowledge to protect your money, grow your wealth, and stop losing quietly to the system. You'll get practical, actionable strategies to flip the game in your favor and take control of your financial future. Secret number 1. Your savings account is designed to make you feel safe, not rich. Most traditional banks pay around 0.01% interest on savings. Meanwhile, inflation averages 3 to 5% per year. That means every year your money buys less, even though the balance looks the same. You feel secure, but your purchasing power is leaking away silently. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Money that doesn't grow is money that shrinks, and banks are counting on you not noticing. Secret number 2. Banks profit when your money stays idle. Let's say you keep $5,000 sitting in a low-interest account. The bank doesn't store that money. They lend it out, often at 10%, 15%, even 20% interest, while paying you almost nothing. That difference? That's called the spread, and it's a major source of their profit. Banks are excellent businesses, but that doesn't mean they're designed for your wealth. Secret number 3. Minimum payments are engineered to keep you stuck. Credit cards don't want you debt-free. They want you comfortable carrying balances. Paying the minimum feels responsible, but it stretches a purchase over years and multiplies interest. Paying in full every month turns the system upside down. Same card. Completely different outcome. Secret number 4. Banks don't teach financial literacy on purpose. Think about it. How often does your bank teach you about investing, compound growth, high-yield savings, or owning assets? Because informed customers move money into better vehicles, and banks make less from passive savers. Secret number 5. Fees are designed to feel small but compound massively. Monthly charges, overdraft fees, foreign transaction fees. Individually, they look minor. Over decades, they quietly drain thousands. Wealth loss isn't always dramatic. Often, it's slow and invisible. Secret number 6. Banks benefit when you're financially fragile. Why? Because emergencies push people toward overdrafts, credit cards, short-term loans. A lack of savings doesn't just create stress. It creates profit opportunities for financial institutions. Secret number 7. Banks should be tools, not wealth partners. Use banks for payments, storage, convenience. But wealth is built through high-yield savings, investing, ownership, skills, and assets. Here's the shift you can apply immediately. 1. Keep emergency savings in high-yield accounts, not traditional ones. 2. Pay credit cards in full. Use rewards. Avoid interest. 3. Move surplus cash toward assets that grow. This isn't rebellion, it's financial maturity. The goal isn't to hate banks. The goal is to stop being dependent on systems that don't prioritize your future. Wealth is built intentionally, quietly, consistently. If you want faith-aligned, practical financial wisdom that works in the real world, subscribe to the Biblical Finance. Because wealth isn't built in chaos, it's built on order.